ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இப்போ நாம் பார்க்குறது வாரணாசி. வாரணாசியில் சாரநாத் அப்படின்ற டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் சாரநாத் என்ற இடத்துல 83 அடி உயர புத்தர் சிலை இருக்குது. அதை பார்க்குறது வந்திருக்கோம். அதே போல் 4 முகங்களை, சிங்க முகங்களை கொண்ட அசோக சக்கரமும் இருக்குது. அதை பற்றின டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஒரு கைடு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவார். அவர் இங்கிலீஷில் தான் பேசுவார், இருந்தாலும் தெளிவாக புரியும் எல்லாத்துக்கும். உங்களுக்காக வாரணாசியிலேருந்து, சாரநாத் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்லேருந்து, சாரநாத் என்ற இடத்துலேருந்து பேசுகிறேன். வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Sarnath. My name is Karan. Sarnath oldest name was Rishipatana or Rishipatana because before Buddha, a lot of Rishi, they were came from Himalaya to got salvation in Kasi. But they can't live with the common man near of the Ganges, so they were stay here in the dense forest. So stay means Patana, land means Patana, Rishipatana. And Sarnath's second oldest name was Saranganath because when Buddha came here, at that time so many deer were freely roamed here. And Buddha gave first sermon to his 5 disciples in deer park. So Sarang in Sanskrit word Sarang means deer, Nath means God. Saranganath converted in Sarnath. So a lot of name of the Sarnath, Rishipatana, Ishipattana, Mrigadaya, Mrigadav, Saranganath and Sarnath. Sarnath is the third pilgrimage of the Buddhist people. First is Lumbini, Nepal, where Lord Buddha was born in 563 BC. Second place Bodh Gaya, Bihar, where Buddha attained enlightenment under the people tree, Bodhi tree, after 6 years. And third place Sarnath. After Buddha gets success, Buddha came in Sarnath and Buddha gave first sermon to his 5 disciples. And last place Kushinagar, Gorakhpur, where Lord Buddha was passed away in 80 years. Buddha was born in 563 BC and he passed away 483 BC. Buddha total lived 80 years. So Lumbini, Nepal, Siddharth birthplace, Bodh Gaya, Bihar, Buddha birthplace. This is the birthplace of the Buddhism. This statue height is 80 feet 9 inch. Why this height 80 feet 9 inch? Because Buddha total lived 80 years and 9 months he lived in his mother's womb. So 80 feet 9 inch. This is the 5th tallest statue of Buddha in India. First is Sikkim Ravangla Monastery, 125 feet. Second, Andhra Pradesh Amravati, 120 feet. Third, Ladakh, 108 feet. Fourth, Dehradun Clement Town, Uttarakhand, 103 feet. Fifth, in front of you, 80 feet 9 inch. Sixth, Bodh Gaya, Bihar, 80 feet, less than 9 inch. And last, Hyderabad Hussain Sagar, 56 feet. But that is the monolithic. This is not monolithic. This is not monolithic. 843 stone, part wise is sandstone. And blessing posture you can see. And right feet you can see some tilted, like walking Buddha. It's called walking Buddha. And 2000 like tilted. 2000 is starting date and last completed 11 years. Please come. Adopted in Constitution in 1950 and 4 lion you can see. But why this lion? Because it denotes the Ashoka. Ashoka was a powerful king as a lion. His empire spread all over India, like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal during the 3rd century BC, like a lion power. But this lion, 4 lion in gentle position, because after Kalinga War in 261 BC, Odisha, Ashoka became a very gentle, peaceful person and he adopted the Buddhism and he spread the Buddhism in all over world in very gentle position. So lion.
So the lions look like a gentle.
Giant. But in new parliament, you can see aggressive.
It's a gentle lion.
Yeah. And here middle you can see 4 different animals. First is elephant. Elephant Buddha's birth symbol. Second lion. Buddha belonged from a royal family. His clan was Shakya. Shakya clan was a powerful clan during the 6th century BC. Its capital was Kapilavastu. So Buddha is called the Shakyamuni Buddha. So his clan power lion. And third you can see horse. Buddha renounced the palace on the horse. When Buddha saw the four person, first is old person, second death person, third leprosy disease, and four monks. When he saw the monks, his behavior was changed, and he left his wife Yasodhara and his son Rahul, and he renounced the palace on the horse. And last you can see bull. Yeah. Bull. Buddha's zodiac sign was Taurus. So bull. And middle you can see Ashoka Chakra. In 1947, adopted in national flag. This in Chakra 24 spokes. Why these 24 spokes? Because Buddhism believes in 24 character of Buddha. Like Buddha's curly hairs, ears big, nose sharp, on the neck 3 line, hand so long without bending, touching the knee. It's called the Ajani. Palm on the chakra, feet on the chakra, 40 teeth. Buddha, not a common man. Buddha was a great person. And Jainism believes in 24 Tirthankara. First is Rishabhanath and last Mahavira, before Buddha. And
Before Buddha.
Yeah, before Buddha.
Okay.
599 BC in Kundagram, Vaisali, Bihar. And Hinduism believes in 24 hours Samay Chakra, Kal Chakra. And you can see in down inverted petals, lotus petals, because it's Mahaparinirvana symbol. Because when Buddha birth in Lumbini, Nepal, when Buddha born, Buddha walked 7 steps and 7 lotus are roses. But in Kushinagar, when Buddha died in Kushinagar, Gorakhpur, then lotus are inverted. So Mahaparinirvana. This is all completed national anthem.
National.
Emblem.
Based on only Buddhism, no? National.
National emblem only Buddhism?
Buddhism.
No. Our
resemble
currency,
in Buddhism.
our national emblem, Rashtriya Chin is Ashoka Stambha. Ashoka Stambha. In currency, in higher officer are adopt. Common person not allowed. So this is a very important Ashoka Stambha. Please check a
और बगल में उसके एक पॉट दिखाया गया है बड़ा दिखाया